In this shoe custom episode, we have, wait a minute, where we're going, we don't need roads. What's up, YouTube? This is Orlando. And in this project, we have a design by Tragik. The shoe, a Nike Air Max. The design, the Nike Air Max Mags. Check this out. We got an Air Max with LEDs. Tragik has a branded shoe that he has just done a beautiful job on. Took a concept, created the shoe with that brand in mind, and he took from Back to the Future and put it on a shoe. Let's look at these photos. What makes this shoe just brilliant is the LED. We have the LED inside of the air bubble, and then he adds from the flux capacitor, from the time machine dashboard, all those lights, puts them with the red, the yellow, and the green right on the side of the shoe. And then to top it off, you got the grays, you got the blues. That's just designing with the white of the Nike Mags. Love the midsole design. You got the splatter. You got that effect that's there that's just clean. And then just adding the basic gray and using the white that's just on the shoe creates a branded shoe for Back to the Future. Just think about that. And you can see right here, we can kind of see it. We got the custom heel tabs with the Nike Mag on the back. Just beautiful. And to top it off, we have the yellow custom Nike shoebox. Guys, this shoe is a one-of-a-kind Nike Mag Air Max design, custom from Back to the Future, that if I can have it today, I'd grab me a pair. Tragik, keep up the great work. Well, that's it. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and please comment below and let us know what you thought about these kicks. Thanks as always, and see you in our next video on The Wall of Hype.